Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about shopping app dhgate, and this is going to be a beginner guide app install. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, let me walk you through. Very first thing you want to do, if you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store. But if you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store. But in this tutorial, I'm using Android phone. So after you open up your Android Play Store or your your App Store on iPhone, go to search. Then go ahead and type in dhgate, hit on search, then click on here and you have access to full app right here. As at the time of making this video, 10 million plus are using this app to shop and ship products from different parts of the world. You can check on the interface of the app right here. Now for you to install the app, go ahead and hit on install right here. After a successful installation, go ahead and hit on open. Then here you go. What you want to do right here is to review some of the information right there. Tell me more about yourself. So go ahead and click on here. If you are not in this particular country, select your country right here from these options right here. These are available country that dhgate are operate currently. But if your country are there, go ahead and proceed. Then here, your language, your currency, you can decide to change currency from the options right here. These are a bunch of different types of currency you can use to trade on dhgate. So go ahead and proceed. Then click on here now to accept the time of everything right here. Then go ahead and hit on continue. Then what category do you like? So you can select as many as possible different products category right here. So scroll down and choose different type of category. So everything depends on the nature of products you like as far as this is concerned. Go ahead and click on done right here, or in this section you can click on maybe later. Succeed. Then here, sign in or join your dhgate. You can either join or sign in with your either Facebook account or Google or your Twitter account. You can click on more right here and see more options by which you can use to log in your account with dhgate. You can use your LinkedIn, you can use your Snapchat and create a free account, or better still, and create a free account with your JD app. It's that simple. So click on allow right here. So once you create a free account, then you will have access to the app right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your dhgate app for shopping, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.